Alright, what's up guys? And today we are going to be making snickerdoodle cookies. We have our mix. We have our cinnamon and sugar mix, which we will pour in the bowl. We have our butter. We have an egg. We also are going to have a tablespoon of water, cooking spray, 2 pans. There's another one over there. So let's get started. All right, so our first ingredient is the butter. So we're gonna melt this. So here we go. Well, that was easier than I thought. My jutsu finally worked. So we're gonna pour this in here. Then we are going to crack the egg. Okay, that worked, kind of. I think none of the shell got in there. Yeah.
Good job.
Well, that was nice for my first time cracking an egg. So now I will do my jutsu for the teaspoon of water. So why not do this? Water jutsu. Wow, that actually worked, even though I'm not a shinobi. So, let's pour this in. Now let's whisk it all together. This is satisfying in a way. I can see it's turning pretty hard. Well, not hard, but you know what I mean, doughy. Okay, so now that we have rolled all of that up, we are now going to take our cinnamon and sugar mixture, which we are going to roll the cookie dough balls in. So we are going to pour that in now. Okay, so now that that's all said and done, we are now going to take our coconut oil cooking spray. We are going to shake this up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We are going to take the lid off and we are going to spray. Okay, so now we are going to... Okay, so now that we have done our cooking spray thing, we are now going to take our tablespoon and we are going to grab a dough ball and we are going to roll it up, stick it in here, and then splat it right on there. Well, place it there. So we're gonna take this ball right there. That good? Yeah. Trust me, this is very, very satisfying to roll. Very satisfying. It's just like slime, but softer. Okay, so now that we're good with, that's not really a ball. Okay, now that we're good, we will stick that in here. Gotta roll that around. Okay, so now that we have rolled the ball and put it in, we are going to shake it up while it's in here. Then we are going to flip, then shake from there. Then we're gonna grab it up again, form it into the ball again because it kind of messes with the shape just a little bit. Okay, then we're gonna stick it right here. And we're gonna take this. Okay, so now that we have placed it there, we are going to make a cute little X on it. So we're gonna go boom, then boom. You guys probably can't see it, but it looks kind of cute, I guess. Okay, so now that we have that, repeat that process till you run out of the dough, and then they'll be ready to go into the like this. So now they are ready to be put in the oven for 8 to 11 minutes. So we are going to stick them in now. Like this. Okay, now I'm gonna set my timer for 8 minutes. So now it is in there for 8 minutes. Now we wait. You do not want to check on your cookies midway through their baking process because you will release the hot air that's in there and they won't cook as evenly. If you want to check on them, turn the light on your stove on and you can look. That good? Okay, so now that our timer is done, it is time that we take these out and stick them on the cutting board. Okay, be very careful. Do not let kids use it, and they have to be supervised by an adult. So here we go. And also be cautious that you don't touch the oven because that hurts. Mom speaks from it. Nothing, bro. It's okay. Come on. Okay. Those look nice. Okay, so now we're going to taste test all of these cookies. So we are going to stick them all on the plate like this. It's not very, very difficult, but they are like just the slightest movement and they'll try to slip off. But I mean, it's good so far. Doing good, doing good. These cookies are looking amazing. Don't want to ruin not one of them. And then the last one, boom. So, that looks perfect. So now it is time for the taste test. Feel smooth, flaky and chewy. I think they're amazing. Definitely very good. Well, that was it for today's cooking. So, bye-bye.